Hi guys and welcome to Moving Data Technology. I'm Ifoma. In today's class, we'll be looking at case statement. Without wasting much of your time, what is case statement? Case statement helps us to specify conditions and also allows us to specify what we want to return if the condition is met. In today's class, we'll be looking at a single condition and multiple condition. We'll be using Bookie database, which is active, and we'll be using customers table. Let's see the content of our customer table by writing our syntax. Select all from customers. Let's execute. So this is the content of our table. So we are going to be grouping our customers based on age. So we need to arrange them or sort them, which is part of cleaning. How do we sort this age? Because if you look at it, it is not well arranged. We'll be using order by to sort it. It might not be necessary, but it's just part of cleaning. Let's execute. So when you sort them first, you see it is well arranged, so that when you're presenting your case statement, you'll be sure there is no mistake. So let's write our case. To write your case, select all. From before that, you put your comma and hit on your enter to be able to move to the next line. Then you type in your case, because we are trying to present a case by grouping the customers. Case, you enter again and use it on your tab to be able to shift your cursor front. Then you present your case. How do you write your case? You say when. You say when, because it is age we are grouping. You say when age is greater than 40, then call them old. What does this statement mean? It means any customer. It means any customer that is above 40 should be put into the group of old. If you are 40 upwards, you should be put into the group of old. This is a single condition. Else, so what does this mean? It means that anybody that does not meet the requirements of being 40 and above should be moved into the next group called babies. If you are not 40 and above, then you'll be moved to the group of babies. So now that you're done presenting your case, you type enter. You type end. You end your case. You end your case. If you execute it, this is it. You've created an additional column, but it doesn't look nice because you can't present such a table with the formulas of your case written. So we need to add something called AS, which is the alias. Alias helps us to rewrite or rename our table temporary. So we put AS. Temporary help us to rename our table. AS, we can put it as age group. That's age group. So when we try to execute again, we'll have it here as age group. This is for a single condition. So let's perform a multiple condition. Let's say 2 or 3 more condition. We want to group them into 2 or 3 more groups. So from this place, what we just need to do is to rewrite our case. We remove this. You come again, you say when. Let's present our case. We say when age is greater than 40, then you call them old. You call them old. Then our next, you go to the next line. Our next case we want to present, we say when age is greater than 35, then we'll call them youths. Call them youths. Call them youths. You hit on enter. Else, anybody that does not fall into this criteria, then we call them babies. Call them babies. We call them babies. So this is a multi-condition. We are giving a multi-condition. You can select or just execute. So this is it. See now, people that are greater than 40 and old, people that are greater than 35, youths, people that doesn't fall into the group of either youths or old are called babies. So this is how to present your case statement in SQL. The second example on case statement, we've looked at the customers table where we grouped the customers according to the age. So let's group our products according to their prices. So we'll be using the product table since we are dealing with numerical values. But first of all, let's check the content of our table with our syntax select home, which table from product, since we've used customer table. So we execute to view the contents of our table. Now that we've viewed it, you see our prices, but they are not arranged. Let's use order by to sort, or probably let's just use it to arrange it. It's not necessary, but it's part of cleaning. You arrange it for clarity. We arrange it for clarity. So let's execute. It has sorted the price from 1,000, 2,000 up to the highest 25. So from ascending order of 1,000 to 25. Now that we've sorted the price, we can now present our case. To present our case, you say after the select, or you put a comma to indicate that you are trying to create another column based on the case statement you want to present. So you type in your case, you hit on enter, then you click on this tab to shift your cursor. Make sure your cursor is here. Then what do you want to present? You present your case. You type in what you present by saying when price is greater than 15, then good price. When price is greater than 3,000, then fair price. What else low price? What does this case mean? It means that when price is greater than 15,000, please tag it or put them into the group of good price. When price is greater than 3,000, put them into the group of fair price. Else, any price or product does not fall between the range of 3,000 and above or 15,000 and above, let's just group them into low price. So when you're done with your case, you just end your case by writing end. So when you type in end, you execute. When you execute, this is the group it has created for you. It has helped you to group this price based on the condition you gave it. So now it has grouped it good price, fair price, and low price. But if you watch, it's not nice having your table with all your syntax written on it. So we have to use the AS, which is the alias, just as I told you earlier. AS, that's alias, helps you to temporarily rename your column. So let's do something like price remark. Let's write something like price remark. So let's execute again and see the correction it has made for us. You see, it has corrected the formula of a name being in the column header. So this is how to present your case statement, whether you're using a numerical value or an alphabetical value.